him, Hardy! Get him! Fuck him up! Come on, Hardy, bring the toy. Oh, yeah, now Buddy gets it. Buddy doesn't like to play, he likes to hog it. So he'll run to his little fucking hole. Look at. Yeah, there he goes. And there's Hardy. Let's go get it back. Yeah, you're in your little fucking hole, are you? Give me the ball. Stupid dog. The driveway's all ice, so I'll probably slip if I chase after him. Drop it. Look at this stupid dog. Just running away with it. Oh, yeah, that's it, Hardy. Boys, what's going on? We're back with another shitty ass. Good dogs. Another shitty ass YouTube. And I don't know if you saw the last one. Obviously, Jacob got a new bike. And mine hasn't been working. I wanted to get some like durability testing. Here's the tire. We had a flat, had to get that fixed. And it's funny, one of my subscribers, he's from Hagersville, from Hagersville, said he could fix my tire. Then I respond like, hey, where's your shop? And he doesn't answer. So I had to go to Go for Dunes to get the tire all fixed up and whatnot. So we got that fixed, and Jacob got his new bike. So obviously we gotta test them both out and see which we're gonna compare the race bike compared to stock bike and see what happens. Hard day.
Look at how muddy it is.
What?
Look at how muddy it is.
Oh, I don't even want to know what mine looks like, because I'm pretty sure I rode in the mud too and I did not wash it up.
Tires too, from going twice down the fucking road. You lost that front edge, that leading edge.
Yeah, well, I did a burnout on mine, so yours are probably still better than mine. That's what happens with freshies. Hey, you gotta help me bring that over. Oh, forgot the fucking key from it. Oh yeah, okay. Here's the ball hog. Sorry, hard day. Oh, you can't go in. We just got out. What did we do last time? I carried it.
And I just put the.
That's all we really need.
Yeah. Do you want it out front by the door?
Cut it in the middle there. Right here. Swing it around. I'm swinging it around. All right, boys, so obviously we have the front wheel off here, and it's funny, me and Jacob had to figure out a way. Where's that bolt? Oh, boys. Everything's all over. I thought we kept everything right here.
I thought we did too.
Oh yeah, look how muddy mine is too. Jesus. So anyways, this is the thing, this is the bolt. We don't have any tools for it, which is weird. So my brother and my dad seem to have every tool in the book, and 2 or 3 of them. So I don't know how we just don't have this. But yeah, we ended up, I wish we would have got on video. What did we do? We had to use, so anyways, yeah, this is what we did. We had to do this, but not in so much, and then we had to twist it like, twist it like that to undo it. So anyways, we ended up getting it done. Oh, my camera's upside down, but whatever. All right, so let's get this going. Oh, this is the problem I was having with the back wheel. They're like closed, so I gotta open them. I need some kind of flathead screw. Oh, there's the bottom, there's the top. That works. That's what that was. So this is, watch out, the camera's in the way.
Oh. I suppose so.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Nope, I closed it again.
Here, let's hold this straight.
Why is that like that? Why? Oh, is the whole fork twisted around? What the hell?
Yeah.
What in the... I'm like, why is it... I'm like, it's not straight? And all that fork's also fucked up. Okay, so that's that one.
Okay, try to push it through. Okay, it's through. It's not going into the brakes.
There we go.
Push it in. Don't fuck around with it.
There we go.
Through. Oh no. Bent that in.
So anyways, boys, I ended up hammering. We ended up getting it. I used this to hammer it in, which I probably should have done. And right there, it's a little fucked up. So the tool that we actually used to prevent that from rotating when we're tightening the other side doesn't fit anymore. So Jacob's currently looking for something to straighten that out. Well, there you can see here.
Okay, see what happens. That bottom side's still pretty fucked up.
Doesn't look like it's working.
Fuck it. We gotta have a pair of vice grips somewhere. Fucking vice grip it in there and it won't move. That's it. That's
it?
I'm going.
Oh yeah, because we didn't want to go too far, right? See, this is what we had to do last time to actually unscrew it, and then you have the tool for the other side. Yeah. Where are the birds? Up there. Go get them. Go get them. No. What do you mean?
You're over there today, buddy. Look, up there.
Yeah, you get them. Fuck them up.
You can't see them when they're there. Oh, I heard the.
No, it was the dog.
What the fuck happened to you?
Whoa! Hey, are they? What the hell?
You better not have been across the road.
So what? Hey, can't you see we're working knee? Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Peace. Oh. Okay, so we got everything back on here.
Should be good to go, yeah?
Should be good to go. Are we gonna tighten your chain? Did we need to? Oh no, that's good.
Yeah, I thought it was 4 fingers, but
3.
I don't know why it's making so much noise. Maybe because no oil.
Yeah, I don't know.
It looks pretty dry, right? Last time I came in, I checked it. It looked dry as well.
Yeah, did you end up checking your oil or no?
Not yet, no.
No. Well. Yeah, they got the good stuff. That apparently, I need to get one of those, a high pressure coolant cap, because mine's just stock. And apparently, once I remember a couple times in the summer, I would ride a lot all day, and then it would leak coolant just because it was so hot or whatever. Apparently, that's what needs to be done. It's a Honda thing. Okay, so obviously we got 2 different bikes here. We got a stock 450, like they're both the same years or whatever, but obviously Jacob's is tuned a lot higher just because it was a JDR race bike. They got all the tips and whatnot, and tips and tricks, I should say. So he's got the Pro Circuit pipe on here, and then I got the classic Yoshimura's. I guess we're just gonna see who sounds better. I don't know. Okay. So I guess we'll start them at the same time, or?
I don't know. That'd be kind of hard to do a sound comparison.
I guess. All right, so we just let the bikes warm up for a little bit, but I think what we'll do is we'll start one. Obviously, we kind of got it, the camera in a neutral spot between both the bikes. We're gonna start it, and I guess just rev it up. I don't know what else to do.
Well, you can do a pull through the field too.
Yeah, we haven't got to the field part yet, but we're just talking about through here. We'll just start it up and then rev it and see the differences between the both of them. All right, I guess we'll start with mine. Like, oh, well, there's a bolt here.
Obviously, we should do a test though, like a little rip around the house before you start flying to see how everything's holding together on that front end.
Like, you guys making that noise again?
Like, that's fucking loud as shit, guys. I'm trying to fucking sleep.
What do you mean your clutch feels weird? Yours feels easier. Maybe it's a hydraulic clutch. Is it hydraulic?
There is, no, that was the brake side that I checked.
Just lost all my hearing in 5 minutes. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. It's slippery right here, and then it's slippery just over there. It's like ice. And then when you go to slam on the brakes over there, you just... It's funny.